Today I'm gonna make chicken fajita. Okay, I got the peppers ready here, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna add in a steak too, chicken and a steak. Thank you for watching the video. Appreciate it. Make sure you share with your friends, okay? And like us on Facebook. Mozzarella cheese on top, and it's really good. If you order a fajita, make sure you order the combo, chicken and steak, and ask for the cheese on top too. Really good. We got a steak and chicken and cheese and tortillas. We missing the rice right now, but when you order a fajita, we always send you rice and beans. Make sure you like the video and order online. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.